Today I'm going to share with you some of the most trending decorated letters in the Midjourney gallery. And we're going to start with the letter A photorealistic 3D illustration of an uppercase letter A in a bold and heavy serif typeface with beautiful ornate flourishing and embellishments done in gold ink and a black background. So it seems like the photorealistic prompt does the job, because otherwise it's going to create the letter in other formats. This one, letter B, made of melting honey and decorated with flowers. And you also can see a weird butterfly sticked on the honey there. You can see that it uses basically the letter B silhouette, and it's putting inside of that silhouette all sorts of elements. Let's go to the letter C. We got letter C made of melting chocolate. I don't know how the AI forms the chocolate without losing quality, but looks pretty nice. And then we got the letter D. We got capital letter D with flowers on a white background. Simple as that, and it's of course made with water paint. Let's go to letter E. This one is made out of stone, and it looks like a 3D render. So we got letter F made from stone, no border, black background, straight on view. We also got the letter B here. It looks super realistic. And then we got the letter F made of meat, just like that. So this is going to replace some functions in Photoshop, but Adobe also launched its own AI and it's going to be released soon. And then we got the letter J. Look how beautiful this is, decorated with flower. Letter J containing flowers on a white background. Now you know that you can do this in Photoshop, but it's going to take up hours and hours of researching these flowers and elements and assembling the composition together. Like, it's going to take more hours, and Midjourney does it in seconds. So these were some of the trending prompts in the Midjourney gallery, and if you want to see more, just write a comment in the description. Thanks for watching.